Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring numbers. Brown color, black color, yellow color, blue color, red color, and the last one is light green color. So kids, now we draw and coloring numbers 1 to 20. First we draw the number of 1 and now we use brown color. 1. The number of 1. The next one is 2. TWO2. Now we draw 3 and we again use brown color. The number of 3. Kids, the next one is 4. FOUR. 4. Now we draw 5. The number of 5. FIVE. The next one is 6. Now we use black color. Black color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. Now we draw 7. Kids, the next one is 8. Now we draw 8. And the next one is 9. The number of 9. Now we draw 10. TEN. 10. The next one is 11. Now we use yellow color. Yellow color. The number of 11. The next one is 12. TWELVE. 12. Now we draw 13. The number of 13. And the next one is 14. Now we draw 14. The next one is 15. Now we draw the number of 15. Kids, the next one is 16. Now we use blue color. Blue color. The number of 16. The next one is 17. Now we draw 17. Now we draw 18. The number of 18. Kids, the next one is 19. We again use blue color. The number of 19. The next one is 20. The number of 20. So kids, today we draw numbers 1 to 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.